Thank you.
Thank you very much, Laurent. Ignacio.
Thanks. A key comment. After hearing the interesting intervention, just to remember, I think I can see it for everyone. It's something that non-minorities something don't understand. And I'm activist not because I want to. I want to live and work normally in Asturian, but it's not possible. I hope it will be soon. I completely agree with Mihail from Moldova. Said education, youth, and communication are three important cases. But the language of Europe needs a better protection. That's a fact. Most states understand their language as secondary. It's necessary to have them all on the same level. There is a lot of work to be done. We need to create international networks, and from the United Nations, you can help us a lot. I think it's very interesting to continue with these forums. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ignacio. Now I see two